Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 4th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So gold is definitely making that overlapping pattern I was talking about. I think this is likely an A. We're probably still in the wave B. I would kind of expect the wave B to go up and take out these previous highs and then go back down. But you definitely can get a lower high, kind of like a running type thing. It is starting to go down pretty hard. So if it does something like this, gives you a little break of structure, maybe on a little bit of a shorter time frame to the downside, then the wave B might be over. Then it probably will go down, take out the lows of wave A for wave C. I still think this is all just a wave 4 on the much higher time frames, and then eventually I still think it's going to go up to about this 78% Fibonacci retracement up here on the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame Fibonacci level right around $4,276. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.